In the beginning, there was nothing, only the void. The earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters, the pressure building, waiting for the command. And God said, "Let there be light." And the light tore through the darkness. And God divided the light from the darkness. Day 1. Day 2. The separation. Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters. Let it divide the waters from the waters. And God made the firmament. And God called the firmament heaven. Day 3. The gathering. Let the waters under the heaven be gathered together, and let the dry land appear. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering of waters called he seas. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb yielding seed, and the fruit tree yielding fruit after his kind." And the earth brought forth vegetation. It was good. Day 4. The lights. Let there be lights in the firmament of the heaven, to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons. He made the stars also. And God set them in the firmament to give light upon the earth. Day 5. The awakening of the deep. And God said, "Let the waters swarm with living creatures." Life exploding in the darkness. And God created great sea monsters, the Leviathans, moving through the deep. And let birds fly above the earth, across the face of the firmament, wings beating against the wind, filling the sky, blotting out the sun. Be fruitful, multiply, fill the waters and the earth. And the evening and the morning were the fifth day. Day 6. The earth awakens. Let the earth bring forth the living creature, cattle, and creeping thing. And the beast of the earth after his kind. Life, crawling, moving, breathing. But there was no one to till the ground. And God said, "Let us make man in our image. From the dust of the ground he formed him, and breathed into his nostrils the breath of life. And man became a living soul. Have dominion over the earth."
Thus the heavens and the earth were finished. And all the host of them. Day 7. And on the seventh day, God ended his work which he had made, and he rested. And God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it, because that in it he had rested from all his work. Perfection. Equilibrium. This is the generation of the heavens and the earth.